Imagine a space station floating silently above Earth, not controlled by humans but by AI. What if robots, not astronauts, were the ones leading our space missions? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. NASA, SpaceX, and China are racing to develop the first AI powered station, and the results are shocking. But is this the future of space exploration or the beginning of a new Olympic war? Stay and to find out. Before we dive into, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for the latest updates on AI, space, and future technology. For decades, human astronauts have been at the forefront of space exploration. But as technology advances, we are seeing a shift. AI is taking over. In 2023, NASA announced Astrobe, a fully autonomous AI-powered robot operating inside the International Space Station. China's Tiangong space station has AI-powered robotic arms and self-repair systems designed to reduce human workload. SpaceX is testing AI-assisted flight control system for Starship missions to Mars. These AI systems are not just assisting astronauts, they are becoming smart enough to replace them. Right now, several countries are working on fully autonomous space stations that could operate without human presence. NASA's Lunar Gateway, a planned space station orbiting the moon where AI will handle navigation, life support, and communications. China's AI-powered space lab. This experimental lab can perform scientific research without any human intervention. Russia's AI-powered satellite fleet, designed for real-time Earth monitoring and deep space exploration. With AI handling navigation, maintenance, and research, human astronauts might not even be needed in space anymore. Meet Robonaut 2, NASA's first AI astronaut designed to assist space crews. Meet Xiaobai, China's first AI humanoid designed to handle space repairs. These robotic astronauts can survive in extreme space conditions without food, water, or oxygen. Work 24 hours over 7 without getting tired or making mistakes. Process real-time data faster than any human astronaut. With such advanced AI and robotics, will there even be a need for human astronauts in the future? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If we want to colonize the moon or Mars, AI will play a crucial role in making it possible. AI-powered rovers are already mapping the surface of Mars. AI systems are designing self-sustaining space habitats. Robotic arms and AI engineers are building future lunar bases. NASA and SpaceX are planning AI-managed Mars by 2030, where robots will build human habitats even before people arrive. But with AI doing everything in space, will humans even be needed anymore? With AI taking over space operations, there are serious risks that we need to consider. AI malfunctions. What happens if AI makes a wrong decision in deep space? Hacking and cybersecurity. Could AI control space stations be hacked? Loss of human control. If AI becomes too advanced, will humans still be in charge? Experts warn that if we give AI too much control, we might create a future where humans are just observers in space exploration. Do you think AI should control space missions or should humans always be in charge? Comment below. The AI powered space age is here. From robotic astronauts to fully autonomous space stations, AI is reshaping the way we explore the universe. But the question remains, is this the future we want? Or is AI taking over too much? If you found this video mind-blowing, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI, space and technology updates. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update about the future of AI in space. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.